welcome back to another video. This is day 13 of our COVID-19 UK lockdown and video number 13. So if you are new to the channel, welcome, and if you're a regular to the channel, welcome back. So I said in my last video that I would do another design with the Charming Dots collection that I received on Friday, and yeah, so I just thought I would come up with another little design, and here it goes. So just some of the tools that I'm using today. I have my Mystic Nails brush in size 0 is the one that I'm going to be using. This is it. I love this brush. I've had this brush a few years now, and oh, I think I'll cry when it goes. And that is just a standard flat gel brush and my dotting tool, because it's Charming Dots collection, so I thought I would go dotty today. I have buffed all the nail tips so that I have a matte surface, because if you're regular to the channel, you know that any nail art I like to do, I always like to do it on a matte surface. So the first colour that I'm doing is the base colour, and I'm doing this on all of the tips, and it is number 022. So they cover really well, you know. I don't even think I can't even remember, did I go ahead and do 2 coats of this? I don't think I did. I think it was just, I was happy enough with the 1 coat. Please don't look too close at my own nails, because they need done really badly, and they're not due to be done for about another couple of days. Yeah, I will do a video when I'm doing my redesign. So yeah, I was right. I did only do 1 coat, and because they covered really well. So the color I'm going to now with is the grey, and it is number 021. And I'm just using it on I've got one of my stamping pads, and I've just put a bit of each colour out onto the stamping pad, and then I'll use my 0 brush just to do any of the nail art. It just saves me having to like dip into the bottle every time, that it's just much easier to just have it in front of me. So I have to say, little disclaimer, lines and dots, they're not my strengths. So they may not be perfect, but it's just a little design that I've decided to do. I hope you like it, but the lines may not be perfectly straight, or you know, the dots may be, you know, a bit wonky, but hey, we're not perfect, sure we're not. The colour that I'm going in with now is number 19, so 019, and it's this beautiful burgundy colour. There you can see one of my wonky lines. So I'm just using my flat gel brush just to try and straighten that up a bit. I'm just using the large end of my dotting tool just to create dots just along the line of that burgundy colour, and then I'll cure that for 30 seconds. So in again with the burgundy, the more stripes on that I started to do in this nail, I thought it looked like a cricket jumper, you know, someone that plays cricket. So yeah, I had to add some little things just so that it didn't look too much like a cricket jumper when we're finished. Back now to the index finger, the pointed finger, and I'm just doing the opposite side now. So I'm doing the cream on the burgundy side, and that's that nail finished. It's quite a simple one. So the index finger and the little finger are both the same, only they're opposites. I'm not going to talk too much during this video because it really is just using the different colours and just following the design. I will come back at the end just, you know, to sort of say bye and just a few little other things. So before I do stop, I do hope everybody is keeping well and, you know, you aren't finding it too hard being quarantined. For me, I like to come in and just come into my little studio and do these videos. It takes a couple of hours out of my day, and for me, it takes the stress away. So it's on the top coat now. I initially started off doing a non-white matte top coat on the pointer finger and the little finger, and then whenever I saw it, it just didn't seem like it went with the rest of the nails, so I did go back in and put a gloss top coat over them. But I have taken a picture of both of them done matte and gloss, so maybe in the comments you can let me know which ones you prefer, and I will be back tomorrow with another video. It will be an acrylic video, and keep safe, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.